the game. It's a rich thing.
First thing me do when me wake up is go on my phone first. Straight on YouTube and WhatsApp. Me have to check message first. Check, send on. Send on a message, send on. Check, send on. Send on a message, send on. You know it's a social media thing. As soon as me open in the morning, YouTube, Facebook, it's what's happening. Check the message from WhatsApp, from your dan following Instagram, DP. It's overflowing, not to mention Facebook, Messenger, straight video calling. Check, send on. Send on the message, send on. Check, send on. Send on the message, send on. Send out a tweet on Twitter saying, over YouTube, the thing happening straight back to Tik Tok. You know that's where they come the links at. The girls, them a rush me want kiss me neck back. Now hungry. Start to bust me shot. You know, me have to deal with it. First ping. Me ask her what that it's like. A podcast attack. No me daughter, so mommy no fi bother with that. Me say, no worry baby, me I go start from the top. First thing me do when me wake up is go on my phone first. Straight on YouTube and WhatsApp. Me have to check message first. Check, send on. Send on a message, send on. Check, send on. Send on a message, send on. First thing me do when me wake up is go on my phone first.